Hello everyone. First of all, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Friends, in this video tutorial, we are going to learn about how we can perform data frame operations. I have created a data frame using the list of dictionary concept. Here, we are first importing the library, then we are creating an object, and then result df is the data frame object here. So let's look at here. We are passing the dictionary object, say result sheet, and then we are creating an index of the data frame, say math, science, Hindi and IP. So our primary objective is to add a column in a data frame. So let's have an output of this data frame. So as you can see, we have a proper output here. Now our primary objective is to add a column. Okay, say I want to add a column after Malika. Say, so I will be writing here just after the data frame object, I will be writing here the same name of the data frame, say result df. Here in our case we will be using here .loc method. Okay, so let's write. First of all, I will be writing here .loc, then inside the square brackets firstly I will be writing here colon. Okay, and then give a comma over there. It means you are adding a column here, therefore you are using colon first. Then write down the name of the column, say Preeti in our case, and then pass the corresponding marks that she has got. For an example, say so we are going to add in the same sequence as the index. Say she has got 89 marks in maths, and then say 78 marks in science, 67 in Hindi and 49 in IP. Okay, so in this way we can justify that we are giving the marks as per the index. Okay, then just run the program. Okay, here we don't have any column here, so run the program and you will find that the Preeti column has been successfully added here. So in this way we can add a column in a data frame. Now let's move to the next section. Let me fetch the output here. So as you can see, we have a proper output here. Now the objective is to rename a column. Say in our case, say I want to rename Ramit to a new name, say Vivek. So how I will be doing that one? Firstly, write down the data frame object, then equals to, then data frame object again dot rename method we are going to use. Okay, give the open brackets here there, then write down inside the curly brackets, write down the old name first. Say the old name is Ramit, write down colon, and then Vivek. Vivek will be the new name of the column. Then here you have to write the axis parameter. Axis is equal to, say you are talking about the columns, so you will be writing here columns inside the single quotes. Again, whenever you are creating such rename process, or whenever you are performing the rename operation, just type the rename just type the data frame object equals to data frame dot rename old name colon new name, and axis is equal to columns. Now you are able to see here that the old name is Ramit. Just execute the program and you can see Vivek is the rename or new name of the column. So in this way we can perform a rename operation. In the next, let's try to understand how we can delete a column. So for that, just write down the name of the data frame again. In our case it's result df, so write down result df equals to result df dot drop method we are going to use. Okay, then open the brackets here and inside the single quotes write down the name of the column that you want to delete. Say in our case I want to delete Ramit, so I will be writing here RAMIT inside single quotes. Okay, then give a comma over there, write down AXIS, axis is equal to, suppose you are going to delete the column, so for column we write axis is equal to 1. Okay, so here you are able to see that Ramit is the column that is present here. So and how we are creating the object? By drop method. Clear? So let's try to execute the same program here so that we can delete the column. And as you can see, we have successfully deleted the Ramit column. So in this way we delete the column here. Thank you. Let's move to the next section. So our next objective is to add a row in the data frame. How we can add a row? So for that one, suppose that I want to add a new row, say CS, computer science. So first of all, I will be writing the data frame object. Okay, then we are going to use the .loc method. So write down .loc, then give a square brackets over there, and firstly write down the name of the row. Say in our case it is CS, give a comma and then colon, then equal to, then write down all the corresponding values, say for Arnab, Ramit, Smriti, then Riya and Malika. So write down all the numeric values that they have secured in the same sequence. Say 78 for Arnab, sorry, then say 48 for Ramit, then say 69 for Samridhi, then say Riya for 55, and then the last one, say Malika, has secured say 93 marks in CS. Okay, so these values are nothing but the marks that are obtained by the different students in the computer science subject. Say for Arnab 78 marks, again Ramit say 48 marks, then say Samridhi, then Riya, and then Malika. So in this way you are going to write the marks obtained by them in a list for computer science subject. And as you can see here, we don't have any CS subject. Let's execute this one. Okay, and try to understand how the things are working. So please remember you are going to use comma and colon later. As you can see, the CS subject has been successfully added here. So in this way we perform the row addition process using the .loc method. Now let's move ahead. So our next objective is to rename a column name. Say for example, if you are about to rename an object, say not object but row, firstly we will be writing here the data frame object, then equals to data frame object dot rename. I will be using the rename method here. Then use the dictionary. Use the dictionary here. Dictionary concept, it means, I mean to say that write down the old name here, say IP, and I want to rename IP to CS. Okay, so I will be writing IP colon CS comma, then I will be writing here access is equal to say whenever you are performing for row, you will be using the index index inside the single quotes for renaming. Okay, for renaming. So here you can see IP is the old name. Let's execute, and here you can see it has been successfully renamed or updated. So in this way we can rename the rows. So our next and final objective is to delete a row. So let's fetch the database, not database, data frame. Okay, here suppose I want to delete Hindi row here. So for that I will be using the drop method. Let's try to understand how we can write it. The complete Hindi row will be deleted here. So inside the data frame, just after the data frame object, write down the name of the data frame object, say result df equals to result df dot drop, and then inside the parenthesis simply write down the name of the row inside list. Say we are going to delete for Hindi. I will be writing HINDI Hindi inside the single quotes, and just write down Hindi, then give a comma, write down AXIS, axis equals to 0. 0 is for row. Okay, so here just execute the code, and here you will come to know that Hindi has been successfully deleted. So in this way we delete the rows. So till then, thank you, have a great day ahead. God bless you all.